Hope you will agree that one of the main purpose of a business is to make profit. Now, I do not mean to say that profit is the only objective of business, but I am sure you will agree that without profit, the business cannot last. However, recently I came across some scary statistics. It says 70% of the businesses are running in losses. 20% are just surviving. 7% are able to make some profit and only 3% are really profitable. Being India's first profit engineer, obviously I was more interested in those 3%, and I think you too would like to know the details. I wish I could share all the details in this recording, but you know it is not possible. So let me share 5 major points. Number 1, the first and most important factor is sales or revenue. Without enough sales, without enough revenue, it is almost impossible for any business to be profitable. Number 2, another factor that plays a vital role is negotiation. However, research shows that 95% of the people in the world are poor negotiators. So, when you improve your negotiation skills, you can increase your profitability. Number 3, of course, it goes without saying that you need to focus on your cost, your expenses, your operational cost, etc., your productivity. Number 4, one more factor that affects profitability is the productivity of your people as well as the productivity of your equipments or machinery. Number 5, another factor many businesses miss out is customer retention. Do you know that it is 600 to 700% more expensive to get a new customer than retaining an existing customer? Now, it goes without saying that there are so many other factors which affect profit and profitability. I will be sharing many more thoughts in future recordings. However, if you want to fast forward your learning, feel free to contact us. My name is Yatiraj Agarwal and I am India's first profit engineer. And my mission is to help each and every business to double, triple, 10x and even 100x their profit. You can reach us on +91 88 256 38345. I repeat, +91, which is India code, and then 88 256 38345. If you like this content, feel free to share it with other business owners and help them too. Thank you. Hope you will agree that one of the main purpose of a business is to make profit.